get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Warm welcome to Country Van Life UK.
Oh, what's ya? Just messing about on my iPad. Oh, I've got to tell you about this lovely snack I'm having. Don't know if you can see that, guys. It's bloody delicious. Kicking up a bloody hoolie out there today again. I think it's going to be a bit tasty tonight. Yeah, all this is, folks, it's you know the garlic bread you get in the packets. It's nice and cheap, pretty cheap, do you know, if you like. But I buy a packet of these with about 10 slices in, and the garlic, usually you get a garlic side and a dry side on these slices. What I do is put the garlic side down, no oil in the pan, just fry it in the pan, get them nice and crispy, then put them into the toaster, and the breaded side, the plain side, toast it under the toaster. Get that out, put it on a plate, butter them up, and put a load of beans on there, perhaps a bit of sweet chili beans on there. And guys, it is absolutely delicious. Garlic beans on toast, it is divine. It's to die for. I absolutely love it. I've only just done this now, just thought I'd try it, just for a different thing. It's bloody lovely. Garlic chili beans on toast. Gotta try it. It's a good one. Oh, there we are doing. Let's get you straight up there. There you go. You better. You more comfy there. Lovely. Oh, another rainy day. Wind's blowing again. Nice cup of tea. Cup of Yorkshire. Can't beat it. Kettle's on mother. Right, let's have a bit of fun with these teeth, these prosthetic or these Valentine or Halloween teeth, whatever they are. They're from Bright Shade from Instant Smile. We've got the teeth ones there, the full set of gums, this one. I'm not sure that's going to work, but we'll give it a go anyway. I'll show you what to do. And we've got these just normal single teeth that you align to whatever tooth's missing. You pop a bit of the bead silicone behind the tooth that's missing, place it in, get it to fit, and bish bash bosh, and we'll give it a go. Lovely jubbly. The gum ones come in a nice little case there, so when you're not using them, you've got a little case you can use. Lovely jubbly. We'll give this a go. It's very simple, guys, the way to use these. First of all, with this one, you don't put none of these beads in as you do with those type of a bit of the actual gunk behind. This one's already got it in. See, this is solid, this is rock hard, this gum set of gums. It's rock hard, and you've got the silicone there. It's not silicone, it's a pliable melting foam kind of thing. It's all dental approved, so it's all hygiene safe. There's no additives or nothing, so it won't hurt you guys. But that white will go clear. See the white there, that white band will go clear, and that becomes that putty. Then you just press that, once you've warmed it up, of course. You press that into your mouth, get it to fit nicely into your mouth, to lock in onto your whatever teeth you've got. Once you've got it set in nicely, you've got it nice and firm and in the place you want it, you take it out, put it into cold water. Then when you put it back in, it should fit. Don't let it cool down in your mouth, because it can, the silicone can go between your existing teeth, and it's very hard to get it out then. So that's why you have to take it out, put it into cold water, then put it back. Right, and we'll have a go with this. I think there's too much of the actual moulding product on there, so I may have to take some of that off. Anyway, is get a cup of cold water and a cup of hot water. Right, I'm just going to pop these now into the hot water, and you let it sit inside there for about a minute. This should be fun. What I'm going to do now, the teeth that I've got in at the moment, because I've got 3 missing on my top jaw, I've got a few missing at the back, but they don't bother me. I've got about 2 or 3 missing here on the top, one there, and one there. So I'd look like a bloody white fence gate if I didn't have those in. And I've done those with these beads. See these beads here? These teeth beads. Again, you just mould those. Goes to putty like that. You put it inside the gap in your tooth. You get it all nice and straight. Drink a bit of cold water, and it goes solid, rock hard like an enamel. And that's what I've done there. So that's what's been in my gob for the last 4 or 5 months, I think. And they work a treat. You can even eat with them. You can leave them in. You can eat with them. It's all hygienic stuff, guys. It's all approved. All these products are approved. Don't know how true that is, but hey ho. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to warm my mouth up a little bit with a bit of warm water and get these old ones out and show you the state of my teeth before we get this gum in. Lovely. Right guys, I've pulled my old one out. You can see, got teeth in there and little teeth in there. That's not a very good look, is it? Plus it helps me to chew as well. It's not all about vanity, it helps me to chew food as well. Right, let's have a look at these teeth. See, you started me there before. Smile. Yeah, they've gone really soft now. You can see how soft they've gone, look guys. Really soft. You've got that silicone on the back there. And all I do now is press these into position. Get it as flat as you can. And as comfortable as you can. What are you doing, Steve? Just work on it, guys. I have to take some of this silicone out of there for this to work. I have to come out for this to work. Plus I may need to dull down the tone as well. They may be a bit bright, but here we go. Got some teeth now. Lovely jubbly. So they're a bit bright. It feels like they're protruding a little bit, so I need to take some of that silicone out the back. You can always put this back into hot water, folks. I can feel a bit of a lisp there, so that's not right at all. Let's have a drink of tea. But they're in now. They don't feel too bad, to be honest. It's I feel like they are protruding a little bit, so I'll take a bit of that silicone out. Plus, they need to. I need to dull them down a bit, but see how bright the smile is there. A bit too bright, they need to tone down. Oh blimey. But get away, if I tone the colour of these down, get a bit of that silicone out of there, so I lose the bit of a lisp that I can feel, because they seem to be protruding a little bit from the sides here more than anything. And once you get them comfortable in your mouth, guys, and you're happy with that, just gently take them out. Oh, I've got them stuck. You're leaving your mouth too long. That's why you should take them out for in cold water. And I like jamming your teeth. But they'll come out a little bit gentle. There we go, we got them out. That was palaver. I left them in my mouth too long. So when they're warm and you put them in your mouth, get them moulded, get them to fit, then take them out and put them in cold water. If you leave them in your mouth too long, it will sit. So any gaps in your tooth where this resin has gone in, this moulding, you won't be able to get it out if it sits. So that's why you should take them out. Once you've got it fitted, take them out, put them into cold water, and then they should fit when you go back in. But I've got them out now, and there's way too much, see that guys, there's way too much moulding. The front of the teeth are fine, still okay, but the moulding they put on the back, there's way too much there. I need to take a lot of that out because the teeth are sticking out a little bit, so you only need a little bit of that moulding on there. I'll prove that with the ones that I did. You only need a touch of in there, there's way too much on there. Right, what I'm going to do now is try these ones, these replacement teeth instead of a full set. give that a go. I'm still lisping a little bit, so it needs to come, I need to go up a bit more. Blimey. Oh, this is good fun, isn't it? Right, my lovelies, I'll take them out now. In one's out. Back to me pearly whites, me wicker fence with missing posts. And we're going to try these ones. So they come in all different shades, as you can see there. You get a pack of silicone, can you see there? You get a pack of silicone. You even get an emery to smooth them down. You even get a pair of scissors. I think it's quite cheap. I think it was only about 15 quid, something like that, not sure. But anyway, we'll get this out of this packing. Now I've got a feeling these might work better just replacing individual teeth instead of the whole set, because obviously with that whole set you've got the teeth running over your existing teeth, which means it's pushing the teeth forward a bit and it'll give you that bit of a lisp. But I've got a lisp, but you know, without having no teeth at all, I can hear a bit of a lisp. Right, we'll get these out. Lovely job, like. So you get scissors, silicone, and a emery cloth there to rub it down. And here's the teeth here, all different shades. So basically with these, you just cut out the teeth that are missing, like I've got one tooth there, I've got 2 teeth missing there. So you cut out the ones that are missing, get them in position that they look decent, put a bit of silicone gel behind it, put them into location, warm up like before in hot water, the silicone gel, put the silicone gel behind these teeth, put them into location, and bish bash bosh, you're away. You don't have to take these out and cool them down, just let them set in your mouth. Right, give this a go. We'll find the right shade for me. I'll have to look in the mirror to do this, guys. Side, see that tooth there? Replace that one and replace that one. That might work. Yeah, it's the biggest tooth of the lot, that one there. So just cut the tooth out. I've just cut the single tooth out that I need. Now get some hot water, because what you need to do now is put a bit of the warm silicone gel when it's clear behind this tooth, put it in your mouth, set it, bish bash bosh. Just take that off there. You can use your fingers, just knock that up the way. Just press it into a little ball, put it behind the tooth that you're replacing, bish bash bosh. So put a ball behind the tooth there, can you see that? You probably can't see that, guys. I'm just going to put this in position using the mirror and press. Try and get it in position. There you go, it's filled the gap already, guys. It will colour down to the colour of your teeth. It's hard to get the right colour of your teeth. All trial and error it is, all trial and error. It's good fun though, good fun to watch. Watching me make a bloody complete and utter fool of myself. But that worked, that's in, that's fine. So I've replaced my front tooth there. Right, I could do that side. I don't think I'll bother down the side. I don't know. I might put one in just on the side there. I might just do that now. You see, this tooth I'm going to replace there now. You can't see it when I smile anyway, but I'm going to replace it anyway because it'll help me chew. I can speak a lot better now, better than the full set with the single ones. The single ones work a lot better. Plus you can work on them more. Get it behind the new tooth. Bish bash bosh. And try and get this to fit. I'm lining this one up against one tooth, so it's got a lock against one tooth. Okay, that will work, I think. Putting my teeth together, make sure I can chew all right. There you go, got a full set now, all the way across. I've even got one up there now. So it will be a bit bright to start with, but that will wear in after time once you've had a few cups of tea. But I'm happy with that. I can chew with that. I can replace them when I want, so I've got plenty of teeth there to replace them when I want. They've locked in position. They're like enamel now. That resin dries like enamel, rock hard, guys, until you warm it up again. Don't worry about if you're drinking hot teas, it's going to re-melt, because it won't. It needs to be in hot water for over a minute before it goes pliable again, and that's not going to happen in your mouth. So don't worry about hot food or anything. And I can actually eat with this. I can actually chew with these in. So the ones that I did with the beads, I could eat with easily, no problem at all. They've been in there months as well. But I'm happy with that. Those are in. Those look all right, and no big gaps in my teeth again. They work all right. They'll do me. They'll do me. I don't care if somebody says, "Oh, look at your teeth." Lovely. There you go, guys. Replacement teeth, just for a backup. You know, if you want to just wear them in the daytime or whatever. But I leave these in all the time, folks. I leave them in all the time. They ain't going nowhere. They're not going to go. You're not going to swallow them. They're not going anywhere. And you can actually eat with them. I've been eating with mine for months. No problem at all. Lovely. Try your own. Try making your own teeth. Or go to the dentist like every normal person. Catch you later.
Join us on our next adventure with Country Van Life UK.